Hello everyone, I'm Avika Negi and today we will discuss Class 3 IMO Year 2016 Set A question paper. Before discussing this paper, we need to know that our question paper has four parts. The first one is logical reasoning, the second one is mathematical reasoning, the third one is everyday mathematics, and the fourth and the last one is achievers section. All the three sections have 10 questions of 1 mark each, except the Achievers section, which has 5 questions of 2 marks each. So let's get started. The first question is the sum of the number of matchsticks in pattern 2 and pattern 4 is. So here we know that pattern 1 has 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 3 matchsticks each means the total number of matchsticks will be 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then in pattern 2, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 matchsticks, and one group is of 3 matchsticks, means 6 groups of 3 matchsticks each. Now in pattern 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 groups of 3 matchsticks each. Now we need to find the sum of the number of matchsticks in pattern 2 and pattern 4. So how many matchsticks in pattern 2? 6 threes are. 6 threes are 18. And we need to find in pattern 4. See, here we have 3 groups, then we have 6 groups, means we are adding 3. Then 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So it would be 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12. So 12 groups of 3 matchsticks each, which means 36. So the sum will be 36 plus 18. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. And 5. So the answer is 54. B question. B part. Now let's proceed with the second question. Identify the relation between the given pair on either side of this and find the missing term. So here we see that E. There is E here and 5 here. What could be the possible relation? Maybe it would be something related to numbering, right? So A, B, C, D, and E. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we can see that E is at the 5th position. That's why 5 is written here. Now here is D. So D is at the 4th position. So the correct option is 4. Third question. Which of the following words can be formed from the letters of the given word? So let's see the first one. S. We have S. Q. We don't have Q. Then B part. We have E. We have R. We have A. We have S. And we have E. So we have all the letters in erase. We have all the letters in newspaper that are in erase. So we have E, R, A, S, E. So the correct option is B. Now, if square means circle, circle means triangle, and triangle means rectangle, then what is the shape of the sun? Now, the shape of sun is circle. And when we have said that square means circle, means when you will say square, you will mean circle. When you will say circle, you will mean triangle. When you will say triangle, you will mean rectangle. So the shape of the sun is circle and you have to say square. That's why we have the correct option is B. Because when you're saying square, It means circle. Fifth question. If apples B and D are removed from the given arrangement, then apple A would be dashed from the right end. Now, there are two parts in this question. If apples B and D are removed from the given arrangement. So, we'll divide this question in two parts. If apples B and D are removed, so we'll remove apples B and D. Then apple A will be dashed from the right end. So, we have to go to the right end, this side. Then apple A, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Apple A would be fourth from the right end. Next, which of the following figures can replace the question mark in figure X? Now here we can see this square is outside a circle. And this square is outside, and in the next figure, that square is inside. So the square which was outside came inside. And here in the same way, the diamond is outside, so it will come inside. So the correct option is C part. Now this question could be a little more clear if we would have a circle outside the square. If we would have a circle, then it would be more clear. But through the information which we have been given, the correct option is C. Select the correct mirror image of the given word. Now the word is AER. Now you know when there is a mirror image, it becomes REA. You put the mirror here, so it will become REA. So AER it was. So now we'll start from R. Why? Because it has to be mirrored. So R will become this. Okay. E will become this. And A will remain the same as it was. So let's see which has the correct option. This one doesn't have. This also is just inverted. But this is the same. You can see REA. So C is the correct option. Now the eighth question. Select the correct match of shapes which can be made from the solids. So as you can see, these all are 2D shapes. They're not 3D shapes. So you have to focus like they are 2D shapes. Okay. The first one, this is a cup. This is a cup, and the shape in the shapes column, it is mentioned triangle. So this cup is not a triangle. It could be a circle, right? It could be a circle or cylinder, but we are talking about 2D shapes, so it had to be a circle. B1. This is a door. Door is what? Rectangle, but here it is mentioned square. So this is also wrong. Then C part. This is a can, and a can is cylindrical. We have to see the 2D shape here, so it would be circle. So the correct option is C. Okay, ninth question. Which of the following shapes is exactly embedded in figure X? So this is figure X and we have to check. Okay, so A1, let's see. This, 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 and this. So A1 is the correct option as this figure, this shape is exactly embedded in figure X. You can see here. Okay, so A is the correct option. Last question, which we will do in this video. In how many different ways can Samaksh reach his home? So this is Samaksh and this is his house. So let's see how many ways, in how many different ways can Samaksh reach his home. Let's see the first way. Right? This is the first way. We'll go here, then here and there. So one, then second, let's see. From this arrow and this arrow, where can he go now? Like this, he can go like this also. right? We have to check the arrows in which direction they are going. If they're going up, then we will go north. If they're going down, means south. So we need to focus on these arrows also. Now like this, let's see how many routes. 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's see. Now 5. There are 5 routes because one he can go from like this. The second one, this is the first route. The second route can be like this. Third route like this. Fourth one like this. And the fifth route would be like this. So there are 5 routes. Now let's see the options. There are 2, 4, 6 and none of these. So 5 isn't here in the options. So we will take none of these. So these were all the questions. Now in the next video, we'll do the second part. Until then, bye bye.